Hey tartelettes, it's Deanna. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy recipe for watermelon agave popsicles. These are really easy and great for summer, and you don't really have a lot of those added preservatives because you're making them yourself, and we'll see how good they taste. You really don't need much for this. You just need watermelon, agave, and sugar. And then I bought these classic pops. I got these right at Wegmans, and I'm not sure how to work them yet, but we will figure that out. And then obviously my Vitamix is here because I'm going to be blending up the watermelon. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first, you need about 3 cups of watermelon. I have about 3.5 to 4 in here because I think I just want a little bit more. But yeah, you're just gonna put it into the blender. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of sugar. And then next, you're just gonna take 2 tablespoons of agave. And now that we have all our ingredients in the Vitamix, we are just going to go ahead and blend this baby up. All right, so now that we have our mixture, we are just going to pour them into the popsicle bowls, whatever they're called. My ice pops are in the mold. I'm gonna freeze these overnight and then we'll see what they look like tomorrow morning. All right, let's see how these look after sitting here for 24 hours. We're gonna take them out and give them a try. All right, so the ice pops are complete. They look pretty good. Let's see if they taste good. Very, very sweet. But they are good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see more of these quick, easy recipes, and let me know if you're trying out these watermelon ice pops. Until next time, tartlets, I'll see you later.